Hi, it's Martin here from Keltned Media. I'm going to show you how to change the notification sound on your Android phone. So what we need to do first, we need to go to settings. Then we need to go to notifications. Then we scroll down and you find notification sound. So again, notification sound and SIM1. There you have a list of all the sounds. So I'll go through a few. Now what you do, obviously you just tap on the one that you want, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So if you choose Red Dwarf, that's it. You just come out of it and that'll be your notification sound. So I hope this is helpful, and if it was, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks now.